Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I am going to tell you how to fix iPhone software update error. So guys, if you want to update your software of your iPhone or want to check that your phone is updated or not, and when you are going to check or want to update, then you can face an error. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, now I am checking that for my software update, and now we can see that I am facing the error or not. So guys, here you can see. So guys, you can see here I am facing this issue that unable to check for updates. So guys, when you are checking this update, then guys you will facing this type of issue. Then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings and click on Wi-Fi, and guys make sure that your phone is connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect it. And guys, if you do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data in your phone. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and the second method is you need to scroll down, click on general, and guys you need to scroll it down, and here is the option of date and time, and make sure that date and time is set automatically. And after doing this, you need to go back, and here is the option of VPN and device management. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And guys, after checking this, check that if any kind of VPN is not connected. So guys, if any VPN is connected with your phone, then guys you need to disconnect it, and after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, after doing this, here is the option of screen time. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and after this you need to click on content and privacy restrictions. So guys, simply click on it and make sure that it is off. So guys, it is, if it is on, then you need to off it. And guys, after doing off, now I am checking that now my software is updated or not. So guys, here you can see now I am able to check that my phone is updated or not. So guys, here you can see my phone is updated to latest iOS version 17. So guys, if your phone not updated, then you need to update from here. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to reset your network settings. So guys, how can you reset? Simply you need to reset your network setting. So guys, you will find here the settings and general, and guys you need to scroll down. Here is the option of transfer or reset phone, and click on reset, and here is the option of reset network settings. So guys, simply you need to reset your network setting, and after doing reset network setting, all the problems will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.